Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken popcorn with ketchup? Here's a simple recipe that will satisfy your craving. We begin our culinary journey with a few essential ingredients. First up is boneless chicken, the star of our dish, which we'll cut into bite-sized pieces for that perfect popcorn-like pop. Next, we have corn flour. This powdery white substance is not just for thickening sauces, but also for giving our chicken that delightful crisp texture. Then, we'll need an egg, which acts as a binding agent, ensuring our breadcrumbs stick to our chicken pieces. Speaking of breadcrumbs, they are what gives our popcorn chicken that golden crunch we all love. We'll be frying our chicken pieces in oil, transforming them into golden nuggets of deliciousness. And finally, we serve our chicken popcorn with ketchup, a tangy complement to the savory chicken. Now that we know what we need, let's move on to the cooking process. First things first, you need to cut your boneless chicken into small bite-sized pieces. Now, this is where the magic begins. Take your chicken pieces and give them a good rub with a mixture of salt and pepper. This is going to infuse them with a basic yet essential flavor profile. Next, we're going to introduce corn flour into the mix. The corn flour is a crucial component. It's going to give our chicken popcorn that irresistible crunch we're after. Once your chicken pieces are well coated with this mixture, let them rest for a bit. This resting period allows the flavors to really seep into the chicken. And trust me, it's worth the wait. Now, it's time for the double dip. Dip each piece into a bowl of beaten egg, making sure they're well covered. Then, roll them in breadcrumbs. This is going to give your chicken popcorn that perfect golden finish and extra crunch. Once all your chicken pieces are coated and ready, it's time to move to the frying process. Now comes the fun part, frying our chicken pieces to golden perfection. Let's get sizzling. First, we'll need a deep pan filled with oil. Heat it to just the right temperature. The trick here is to make sure the oil is hot but not smoking. Once it's ready, gently drop the chicken pieces into the pan. Be cautious not to overcrowd the pan, as this will lower the oil temperature and slow down the cooking process. As the chicken dances in the hot oil, it'll start to turn a beautiful golden brown. That's your cue to scoop them out. But remember, patience is key. We want each piece to be perfectly crisp and cooked through. Once fried, we're going to drain the excess oil from the chicken. Lay them out on a kitchen towel, allowing it to absorb any residual oil. The result? Crisp, non-greasy chicken popcorn. Now, all that's left is to serve your chicken popcorn with a generous helping of ketchup and enjoy your delicious creation. Bon appétit!